Security Pro USA brings you this state-of-the-art carrier, offering Level IIIA bulletproof protection. It's made with heavy-duty nylon, reinforced unions, quality velcro, and available front and back panel inserts for additional hard plates. This special vest offers a quick release action for easy disassembly in emergency situations, allowing the vest to instantly extract from the wearer. It reassembles with ease by simply rebuckling the straps. This fantastic vest will keep you safe and protected, and proudly sold right here at securityprousa.com.